Our Kubota engineers created the Backhoe Swift Connect that allows you to remove and install the backhoe in record time. Let's see the removal in action. Bring the backhoe stabilizer close to ground level and remove the vertical lock pin. Bring the boom of the backhoe down to remove the weight of the backhoe from the Swift Connect. Disengage the Swift Connect on both sides. Bring down the backhoe with the hydraulic boom lever and then move down the stabilizer feet to clear the tractor subframe. Turn off the engine and disconnect the 3 hydraulic flat-faced couplers and install the dust covers. That's all there is to it. Getting every and any job done